Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Mico notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on apps. Now select manage apps option. In the search bar, type in Mico and perform your search. Tap on Mico application, scroll down a little and then tap on notifications option. To turn on Mico notifications, enable show notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Mico notifications. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.